Hello and welcome to this how-to guide from Quantique. In today's video we're going to show you the logging capabilities of the QuarkLink security platform. So let's begin with the dashboard screen. So you can see here the dashboard, which is the first screen that is made visible when you log into your QuarkLink instance. In fact, if you scroll down on the dashboard you can see the login activity here. But let's actually go to the login page to have a look at what the login capabilities are. So here on the main menu you can see the logs page. So let's click on that and access the log. By default on the log page it displays the last 20 logs. You can change this by adjusting the items per page item here, maximum of 100. Now here you can see all the logs that have actually been generated in the recent activity, and you can page through these using the left and right arrows here. You'll notice that the time, the action and the user is displayed. That is controlled by the settings where you can decide what you want to display. Here is a refresh to refresh the screen to give you the latest updates of logs. Now the logging capability here covers creating and editing of batches and policies, and it also shows all user login activity. So using the log here you can actually see who's been using the QuarkLink and what they've actually been doing with the QuarkLink. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. Please visit the Quantique YouTube channel for more helpful guides on how to use Quantique products.